Hello and welcome back for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, you can see that Fantom is holding below our ascending trend line that we had been trading above in the previous few days. And you can see that we are also holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is also acting as a resistance. And there are chances that Fantom can give us a reversal from the prices that we are trading within, see that bounce back to the upside, get back above our ascending trend line, which can continue acting as support, and then give us that massive breakout to the upside that we have been expecting here on the Fantom chart. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and you can see that after seeing our massive sell-off on the 10th of June, giving us a low at around the $0.2125 mark, we started this recovery to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I've been terming these as the first wave. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that also managed to get into the minimum retracement area for that second wave, highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618. And you can see that we managed to see a reaction of the area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5. And after seeing that reaction, we started this bounce to the upside in a move that I'm terming as the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for that wave 3 using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area for that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.34 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Fantom to do once we continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. And because of the impulsiveness in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure also play out within the formation of that wave 3. And I believe we are seeing such a scenario where we can term this as the first wave to the upside, then a second wave. And I believe that soon we are going to see a reversal over here to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5, fully maximizing our minimum target area at around the $0.34 mark. And since we are in the formation of this second wave, then using the trend, the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, we can get a minimum reversal area that we need to keep our eyes on, since within that area we can see a reversal to the upside, and that is the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618. And I can mark that target area here on the charts using this red target area, where you can see that within the area between the $0.2633 mark and the $0.253 mark, that is an area that we need to keep our eyes on, since within that minimum retracement area we can see a reversal to the upside in an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you target areas for that bounce over here using the trend-based Fibonacci once more, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.3121 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that next bounce to the upside to do before we can expect a wave 4, then a wave 5 to the upside, fully maximizing our minimum target area for this larger EDU 12 count 3. Jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, because Fantom has also continued to obey the EDU 12 structure, which are giving me the long-term scenarios here on the Fantom chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that after seeing the December lows, we saw that 5 wave move to the upside, having the wave 5, giving me a high at around the $0.67 mark, completing the formation of these larger EDU 12 count 1. Then we started breaking down in the formation of a larger EDU 12 count 2. Minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, we have fully maximized. And at some point the day that we saw the massive sell-off in the market, we had lost significant areas on the Fibonacci's, which is the Fib level 0.78, though we still continued to hold above the Fib level 0.88. And after that massive sell-off, I still believe that this is still a second wave, and Fantom could still give us that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of these larger EDU 12 count 3. And to confirm to us that the low for that second wave is in, and that we have started an impulsive move to the upside, I'm expecting Fantom to give us a 5-wave structure on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure. Once we see such a move on the charts, that will be enough confirmation that the low for that second wave is in, and that we have started an impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Fantom chart. On the indicators, on the 4-hour RSI, we are trading at around the 51 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.